Hello folks, back when it announced the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung boasted a new optical image stabilization mechanism for the camera. Combining the new OIS tech, it said with the video digital image stabilization on the software side, resulted in a super steady mode that introduced 48% reduced shaking compared to the phone's predecessor. Lo and behold, according to renowned leakster Ricciola, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have an even more advanced ultra stabilization feature, perhaps a combination of hardware and software components that may be used for floating video footage or sharper pictures. Apple, however, now has action mode for video recording, which it introduced with the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro models, leveraging the image stabilization to heights unseen that compensate for every breath and shake while you shoot footage. It uses the full sensor with more overall scan and advanced roll correction to make video look incredibly stable when you're in the middle of the action, says Apple, and can serve as a gimbal replacement when there's enough light around. Plus, it even records in Dolby Vision HDR, albeit not at full 4K definition the iPhone 14 series is otherwise capable of. Thus, the potential Galaxy S23 Ultra image stabilization could either be an answer to the iPhone 14's action mode or simply a feature that Samsung's phone would have been capable of anyway, but just given a new marketing name as Apple often does. In a nutshell, both modes use a crop from the ultra-wide camera to compensate for the frame shakes. Thus, Samsung could simply be introducing an upgraded version of its super steady video recording mode with the new Galaxy S23 Ultra Stabilization mode. It could also be trying to emphasize the feature mode during its keynote presentation, for those who didn't know that the action mode style option had existed on its Galaxy phones for a while now. Earlier today, Samsung announced its earnings for Q3 2022. During its earnings announcement, the company revealed that its smartphone division did well in terms of business. Amid the slump in the smartphone market, the company's high-end phones, including Galaxy S22, Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy Fold 4, had good sales performance. In fact, the company went on record to say that the Galaxy S22 series brought in significantly more revenue than the Galaxy S21 series did in 2021. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that the company sold substantially more units of the Galaxy S22 than the Galaxy S21. It could mean that people bought more high-end versions, including the Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in more markets could have had a positive impact on Galaxy S22 sales. For instance, the company usually launches Exynos versions of its flagship phones in India and South Korea, but this year the company launched the Snapdragon variant of the Galaxy S22 in those countries, leading to better sales. The company also improved its software update policy this year. With the launch of the Galaxy S22 series, Samsung announced that it would offer up to 4 major Android OS updates to all its hand phones and some mid-range devices. All these factors could have contributed to better revenue from the Galaxy S22 series. Let's hope this year the company will continue to move in this direction and release the S22 series with the Snapdragon chip in all markets. Hit the like button if you would like to see that. Guys, thanks for watching this video, see you in the next one.